You can start making money right here today, even as a beginner, just like how I'm making right here and right now. So all you need to do right here to make money with CPA marketing and CPAGrip to be precise is just simply watch this video right here to learn and implement the strategy which I'm about to reveal to you right now in this video. If you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right here. Also guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel right now and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help you boost your income online. So diving right back into the video of today guys, what we're going to be utilizing right here is this particular platform called CPAGrip. If you don't have an account on CPAGrip, just simply come right here, click on register. You'll be brought to this page right here where you just simply need to provide your basic details such as your first name, your last name, and actually go on to filling out all fields having this red asterisk sign. Then you could just simply agree to the terms of service by checking out these boxes right here before going on to creating your account and getting your account created on this platform, which can then go on to logging into your account. Once you log into your account, you should be brought to a page where you just simply have to come right here, select the offer tools. A drop down list to be shown to you, select my offers, be brought to this page, and you can just simply go on to seeing a lot of offers which you want to use, just simply go on to utilizing right here. So supposing guys you want to just simply go on to selecting an offer from a country like Spain, and if I do go on to selecting Spain right now guys, the page is going to load up and I'll be able to see offers available to the Spain demographic right now once this successfully loads up completely. So you can see right here, these are actually cool offers right now. If I do go into filtering the offer based on payouts by just simply clicking on payout right now, it's going to show me from the highest paying offer to the lowest paying offer. And you can see right here for the highest paying offer, you can go on to earning $19 right here from just one successful lead which you do get this offer. So that's actually a cool kind of offer right now. But guys, if you're actually a beginner, I won't actually advise you to go on to promoting credit card submit offers because that requires people to go on to submitting their credit card details while going through a survey, and a lot of people are actually skeptical about doing that right now, which is why you may want to just simply go on for a more simpler kind of offers like the pin submit offers that are actually having a very good payout of about $17 right here. You can see some $11 and the list keep going on, and they're actually having a cool kind of payout. So supposing you do select one of the offers right now, you will be shown more details to the offer, but even though you don't understand the Spanish language right here, you can actually go on to just simply copy the text right now. If you copy the text, head on to your Google Translator right now, and you just want to go on to utilizing the Google Translator right here. So I'm just going to paste in that particular language, and its text is going to just simply detect the language. As you can see, Spanish is actually translated that to English, and you can see right here it says play the best games. So if I want to just simply get more details, I'm just going to copy this entire description right here, head on to Google Translator right now, and go on to pasting that at the bottom section right here. As you can see, it says enter your mobile now to start downloading. So what you want to do right here is to just simply go on to your CPA marketing offer. You can actually copy the link to the offer right now. As you can see, this offer is available for people in the United States that have to use their Apple iOS device to submit their PIN code, which is their phone number, using this your unique affiliate link, and you do get paid $17.11 for every successful lead which you do get to this offer. So what you want to do right now is to copy the link to the offer. If you do copy that, create a simple landing page which you may use platforms like Google Site right here. You may use the breezy.io, or you could actually go on to utilizing platforms like Linktree right now, but I'm not going to show you how you could do that because I have a lot of videos on my channel that shows you how to create simple landing pages with all of these platforms. If you want to just simply access such videos, go onto my channel right here. You can see this search icon close to the community section. Click on that right now, and you want to just simply go on to searching for a landing page. So if I do go on to searching for landing page right now, you can see the videos I created for you that could help you create simple landing pages right now. This one right here shows you how to create a landing page with the breezy.io. This shows you with the Systeme. This is with the Google site right here. This is also Google site, Systeme.io, and this is Webflow, and the list keep going on and on. I have some cool videos right here that shows you how to create simple and professional looking landing pages. So once you're actually done with that right there, creating a simple landing pages and linking that to this your CPA marketing offer, what you want to do right now is to go on to promoting that using a platform called the Doha Ads right As you can see, this is the domain right here called the dao.ad, and that's actually a very cool platform you can use to go on to getting traffic to your CPA marketing offer. As you can see right here, you could actually go on to gaining access to more than 174 countries from around the world and over 1 trillion monthly impressions right here that you can on this platform. And you can actually see right here that you could go on to getting over $600,000 partner income per month right now. This is a very cool platform right here that you could just all you need to do is to click on this registration section, go on to sign up to this platform for absolutely free right now. So once you do that, guys, and log into your account, you should be brought to a page such as this, where you want to just simply click on campaign, select the pop under, because that's what I'm going to be using right here for today's video. So guys, once the page successfully loads up right here, you want to click on create campaign right now. Once you do click on that, it's going to go on to taking you to a page such as this, where you want to just simply create select a status notes. As you can see, you'll be able to see some cool stuff right here. You can actually see work status right here, maybe pause, started, or something right there. Put in started right now. For the name of the campaign, you want to just simply put in something like CPA offer. And if you do put in something like this, for this URL, you will need to paste in the URL to that your CPA marketing offer or your landing page if you are actually going on to using a landing page. Once you paste that in right here, you can actually select any of those tracking platforms to help you go to tracking your link right now. And right here, guys, for the country right here, you want to just simply go on to selecting a country which you want to just simply drive traffic to. So right now, guys, supposing I want to just add a country, I'm just going to come right here and type in Spain. As you can see right here, that country has actually been inserted. Next, you want to just simply come right here. As you can see, this is also the country right here. I'm just going to go on to searching for Spain. So once you selected the country right now, you want to go on to the clicks right here, which is the limit per day which you're actually looking for. You can actually go on to put in a very cool limit right now. Maybe I want to just simply get onto 500 clicks per day. For the sum right here, which is the limit per day, you can actually put in that right there. And you can see right here the price per 1,000 views right here. You want to just simply insert that amount, and once you are doing inserting amount right here, as you can see, this is the recommended price which you can see right here, and this is the amount of views which you'll be able to get right there from that particular price. You can see right here the average price right now. All you need to do is to just simply go into selecting regions, cities that are actually utilized or important right here. But basically, you need to just simply focus on the fields with this red asterisk sign. If you do select that right here, as you can see, you could select the vertical, what this particular offer is all about, and it's about gaming right here. And you can actually go on to selecting one that is suitable to that, and just simply follow all these details right here to just simply go on to promoting your CPA marketing offer. It is quite easy. Basically, only focus on the field having that particular red asterisk sign that actually indicate the necessary fields you must just simply go on to filling out right here. As you can see, the name is actually having a red asterisk sign. Just simply focus on those sections, and just once you are done right there, go to the bottom, click on save, fund your account, and actually start running a campaign to get a lot of traffic right now. So if you want to just simply learn the free traffic method, you may actually utilize platforms like Twitter right now. If you do head on to platforms like Twitter right here, all you need to do is just simply go on to creating a post right now. And if you are creating a post, guys, you need to actually make sure that your post is in the Spanish language right here. And if you want to just simply draft out something, you can then just simply want to utilizing platforms like Google Translator. Maybe you want to just simply translate from English, you can actually come right here, translate from English to Spanish. And if you're doing that right here, you want to type in what you want to translate right now to in English right here to Spanish, and translate that. And you may actually be in need of getting some cool hashtags so that you'll be able to read the Spanish demographic quite well on Twitter. And to do so, you just want to go onto Google and search for Twitter trending hashtags in Spain, and you can actually see this option right here. Select that. It's going to bring you to this page right here where you can actually go into selecting some cool hashtags that are actually getting lots and lots of engagement. Once you do select as many as you can, and just simply go on to adding that to that your particular Twitter tweet right there which you're actually going to create, you can use that to go on to getting lots of traffic. So if the video added any form of value to you, why not just simply hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.